Hello everyone, and welcome back to Techavro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get Discord Nitro. Not for free. You will have to pay. Now, there is a way of getting it free, but it's not going to be me who gets it free. It's going to be the person that I give it to who gets it for free. As you can see, if you click on this box right over here, you can give Discord Nitro to anyone that you want. You can either give it to them for a year or 1 month. Really depends on you completely. And then you can also choose the type of box you want to select. Then after you select, you want to choose a payment method and then send it over to them. Now, if you do have a friend that's very kind and very rich enough to buy you Discord Nitro, you can ask them to gift you Discord Nitro, and this is a way they can do it for you. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.